an external USB pointing device plugged in. Perfect. Okay, love it. Thank you. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for bearing with me there. For int I equals 0, I is less than Q's length plus si. Times equals new. Is that how arrays work? New float. It's not. It can't be new. Float. Q's length. It's new float, huh? Weird. Times I equals Q's split. Q's I split on the and. 0. Yeah. Don't like that, huh? Q's split. Cannot implicitly convert string to float. Q's split. Split should give me a string array. And then I want to take the first element of that string array. Oh, cannot convert from string to float. Of course. Of course. We're just gonna fucking parse everything. Guys, this is real ugly. Sorry, I wanna have a thing. We'll build a real system later. Okay. Okay. Ugh, this is awful. Because now I gotta do another one. This is really bad. We're gonna take a minute after this and think through this a little bit better. Triggered I equals false. Right. Okay. And then in update, oh yeah, I gotta make this thing too. Okay. Go through all of the triggered variables. If time dot time, yeah, is greater than times I and triggered I, not triggered I, then run code in triggered. Yeah, I'm gonna want, I think, to create something a little bit more sophisticated than this eventually, just for like the process, just for being able to understand and debug more easily. This is a game where, well, I don't know, we'll see. We're using a lot of rendering. Like we're right now being a little bit naive in how we are rendering the stage and all of the lights on the stage. And so it is asking a lot. I think that we can tighten that up. I think we can be smarter about how we actually do that, which will make this sort of like a little bit easier. But this isn't a first-person shooter. It's not an online multiplayer game. Performance in general, performance is not like a major issue. Except in the fucking graphics, because we're pushing the graphics real hard, but not even in a like, well, I don't know, I guess it's not that different. What is this thing? Oh yeah. But yes. Yeah, the plan is to do some sort of light baking for the sets. It's just the and then we'll only have to deal with dynamic lights for the actors and props and things that move around on the stage. And we might even be able to get away with some stuff there, but that'll be a little bit better. Okay, what am I doing if we hit the time and we haven't triggered the thing? Then trigger the thing. And I was gonna make a private string commands, and that is gonna be commands equals queues I split on the and. If commands so it's the time and then the line and then the start talking, so that's if commands 2 is that how that's gonna look? Then start talking. If commands 3 stop talking. Right? Does this seem right? I think this logic is okay. Commands 2 does not equal nothing, then it's going to be the name of a character. So here's what we need to do with names of characters is we're just going to make this real easy. Public stage character Morpheus, public stage character Keanu. I only have these 2 characters, but still. No, that's not going to help. I can make a map or a hash or whatever, a dictionary. I don't think it's worth doing. Commands 2 equals, yeah, because I only have 2 characters. So if it's Morpheus, then Morpheus start. Nope. Set bouncing, true. else Keanu. Set bouncing true. Okay, yeah, because we only have 2 characters, I'm just going to do this. Okay. Compile. Let's see how this works.
At last. Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed, I am Morpheus.
Does he not stop?
It's an honor to meet you.
No. The honor is mine.
Okay.
Please.
So a command ran. Oh yeah, and then we got some null reference. Oh yeah, I forgot to. I turned the thing off on Keanu. Is that what this is? It doesn't seem like when the error happened.
At last. Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed, I am Morpheus.
It's an honor
Still
to
not
meet you.
topping. Okay, but he did run. All right, and he also stopped. So what's up with Morpheus not stopping? That is the question. Why is Morpheus not stopping? Sir S. Charles, I like what you're doing. We're going to come back to that in a second. Command to... That's why. That's exactly why. Okay, so now this should work. I should set this so that it turns the lights on at the beginning.
At last. Welcome, Neo.
This is fucking awesome.
As you no doubt have guessed, I am Morpheus.
Okay, I am
It's an honor to meet you.
I am Morpheus.
The honor is mine.
Needs to be longer, and so does
Please.
the honor is mine. Rad as hell. Okay. We're good. Let's go. Oh, I'm so excited that this works. We'll make it prettier in a second. This sucker needs to be this shit. Okay, we're gonna make this thing prettier too. Damn it. And then this. I just forget how the like arrange iterative functions in this work all the time. All right, and then this is gonna be like that. Okay, rad. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna copy it in. Oh, but we're gonna change it right first. So as you know, down. Okay, so at last, welcome Neo. I think that was okay. I am Morpheus. Let's give this another like 16.5. Oh yeah, some of these were a little bit late, so I'm gonna give it like 7 point, I don't know, 7.5 quarter second. 10.75. That makes this it's gonna stop just for a little bit, and then 16.5. It's an honor to meet you. No, the honor is mine. This should be more like I don't know, 23. Okay. I can. Okay, Strophium, I can do that. I'm not gonna do it now. Wait, hold on. Come look at this thing. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna put it in here.
Oh, actually, well, since you're doing this,
Yeah.
you got something. I got something.
Yeah.
Now let me grab it.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna preview this with you guys, and then we're gonna show Martzy. Did I save that? I think I saved that. You're gonna hear an echo, sorry.
At last. Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed,
Okay, that started early.
I am Morpheus.
It's an honor to meet you.
No. The honor is mine. Please, come. Sit.
I'm delighted. I'm delighted. Okay, sweet. Good.
It's amazing. It's amazing. All right, all right. So our game has a lot of voice acting, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Fuck.
It's gonna, I hope you're not burned out on voice acting.
All right, good. So
Oh. Oh, sweet.
that's option 1. Some drawings.
Can I show this?
Yeah. So that was like initially our first thought was, no one can see it. There you go. That's pretty Scott Pilgrim-esque.
Mm-hmm.
And so then I played around with a different style because you don't want just fucking harsh Brian O'Malley's vibe.
Totally.
And then kind of
Ooh.
a little bit more Golden Book.
Ooh, that's interesting. I like that.
Some Peter Pan characters, a little
Yeah.
bit more like slightly 50s-esque.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I totally see that.
And
Oh,
then-
that's interesting.
Yeah,
But you still got the big expressions.
big heads but slimmer bodies,
Yeah.
so we can see more props. Because Scott Pilgrim's got really
Mm.
big bodies, which I think will cover up our beautiful stage scenery. And that's only. Then I did a test about because the big thing is you want to see expressions. So I did 2 different sets of
Oh my God.
expressions. One with
Oh my God.
whites of the eyes and one without the whites of the eyes.
So without, and then...
And I think that bottom one reads better.
Yeah, I do too.
It's more emoji-like,
It's more emoji-like. That's what the kids like.
but it also reads from stage. So we got
That's fucking rad.
big heads, big expressions, probably slightly like kind of thinner, bodies with limbs that go out to a point.
Mm-hmm.
So
I like it. I like it. Very cool.
very cool. You still got someone confused about the mechanics very much.
That's okay. We'll get there.
Game.
That's why we're doing prototypes.
Yeah. Great. Well, have fun on your stream to go home and draw
Yeah, go home.
and watch crime shows while I do it.
Enjoy. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna look at the code that Sir S. Charles was putting in here. Okay, I'm actually gonna like I hope that you do not mind. What go away. I'm gonna pull this out so we can look at it together. Because I really like what you're doing. with generalizing the functions. That is where we want to move. All right, queues is an array of arrays that contains time, function, parameters. If time is less than current time or greater than current time, function I, parameters I. So I would have an array of functions. So I have an array of functions. I could translate this. So this function in here, so set bouncing here, is not going to be the text set bouncing. It's going to be, again, like, I think I want to do this with I think I want to do this with a dictionary. I think that's what's going to make this clearest, because function I suggests that I have an array of functions that's indexed, and then I'm pulling oh yeah, I see what you're doing. So if time I, function I just need to get a reference to the actual function, not just the name of it, which I could do with a dictionary. Like, that seems like the easiest way for me to do it. Can cues be embedded into your audio file? What happened to my head? Has my head been like that the whole time? I don't know what happened there. I feel like I'm going to be better off just creating a simple data structure that has time, function name, and some sort of parameter list, and then within the data structure we can do some kind of a lookup from the function name to the actual function, and ditto the parameters, and have some sort of global list of all of those things. You can have an array of tuples of time threshold functions. So the array dictates the sequence. The tuple pairs the time value with the function. Oh, I see. Array dictates the sequence. That's good. That's pretty good, actually. I like that. As long as I don't ever have two functions that I want to fire on the same frame, which for a prototype I don't. Like, that's fine. That is a fine restriction. Okay, cool. Okay, so but I don't know about the tuple. Like, I still think this is the office. I'm at the office. That's true. Update's not fixed to frame rate. Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't. That's fine anyway, especially for a prototype. How would I go about using closures? I use I'm comfortable using delegates and actions. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Thanks for your advice, guys. I'm gonna have to look more into closures in Unity. I think that's not a bad idea, and I think it's probably like a more elegant solution to this kind of a problem. I do. But I do, like, I just want to, I think it makes more sense for me to kludge together something a little bit just to be able to make progress on the prototype. When we go into production, I'll look for a more elegant solution, and that does seem to make sense. Now, okay, so it's making sense to me to sort of have a... maybe like a struct of delegates that I can, or a dictionary of delegates that I can address by name. But I do want to pass variables in. Okay, so for the moment, I think I'm going to deal with functions that are that take arguments as strings and then parse their own arguments. Which means that I don't want tuples, I want triples. If I make these CC lines into their own functions, truples, yeah, exactly, Zyvo. Truples. But I don't think I want truples. So I could either do this as a data structure or just as yeah, the problem is that Unity doesn't have a good built-in like tuple or expanded tuple like library. So I think okay, how do I yeah. Yeah. Can I do this in a struct? Struct seems useful. Let's do that. What's the syntax for that? Sweet. All right, let's make a struct. That is queue data. This is going to have float time. It's going to have a string function name for now, and then a string argument string. I'm going to keep these stage characters. I'm going to have a private queue data array of, and that's going to be our new queues. We're going to get rid of these, all of these. We'll replace it with queues. This is just a string, queue string, queues, okay, queues equals, okay, all right, string queue string split equals the queue string split. Queues is going to equal a queue data that is the length of queue string split. Okay, and then for int I equals 0, I is less than queue's length plus I, queues, let me create a new string, called queue pieces. Yeah, that's fine. Queue pieces equals queue string split I split on the and. And then queues I, what was it? Time? What do I call these things? Yeah. Queues I time. Is that not right? Am I doing this wrong? Queues. Yeah. I'm using the struct wrong somehow. It should be in scope. Q data array. Got it, because these are private. Okay. I'm just making them public. Cool. Time equals float parse q pieces 0 q's I function name equals q pieces 1 and q's I argument string equals q pieces 2. Sweet, all of that. That's great. Done with all of that. In update now, we're going to no. Oh, right. This was a much smarter way to do this. Private int q index equals 0. If q's q index time is less than current time, then first thing we do is increment q index. Then we're going to call function queues. This is not the first thing we do. It's the last thing we do. Q index argument string. This is function name. Okay, sweet. I'm just going to delete all of this because I don't think I need it. Let's do this. Let's have a private I always forget how to do we're going to do this. We're just going to switch this. Okay. Call function string function name string argument string. This is easy enough. This is void. This is going to be call function queues q index function name queues q index argument string. And then in here we're gonna switch on the string. Oh my god. Switch function name case okay, what do we got? We got start bouncing every time. Fuck. start bouncing. Case stop bouncing. We've got show close caption. That's all we got right now, right? And we don't even have this one. So if it's start bouncing, then we're gonna make some helper functions for this. So let's just do that first. Private bouncing character string character name. Let me do it like this. Okay. And then we're going to make one up for private void, show closed caption, string, text. Okay, so this one now we will, where did I put it? I did write bouncing, but I fixed it. No, I didn't. It's right there. Fuck. God damn it, you guys. Thank you for catching that. Okay, so then this is also going to have a switch statement. This is going to switch on character name. And it's going to be case Morpheus. We're going to, well, let's just set it up. In case, what I have a Keanu? Is that what I have? Keanu. That's fine. And then, do I need to have a default? Did it yell at me if I don't have a default? Doesn't seem like it. Seems like it's okay with it. All right, case start bouncing. This is set bouncing. Argument string true. And then same thing down here. Argument string false. Show closed caption is going to be show closed caption. Argument string. Okay, and this is, I have these characters, right? Stage characters, yes. So this is then going to be Morpheus, set bouncing, state, and Keanu. Keanu, set bouncing, state. Okay, and this is going to be something. This looks like a functional program. Oh, but I need to change the actual text because it no longer looks like this. Okay, so now it's going to be time. This is going to be a function and arguments. There is no longer this column. Wait, but I'm gonna keep it for a second because I gotta. We're gonna keep all of these. The function is gonna be. We're just gonna do the bouncing. Start bouncing. And stop bouncing. and these go one after another like this. And this is Morpheus. No, this is okay. This is fine. This is totally fine. This is going to get easier in a second. Keanu, like that. Okay, and then here's the bit that I should have done is... No, I'm going to do this on top. Insert one above, insert one above, insert one above, insert one above. These are all going to be same time. This is, what did I call it? Show closed caption? Show closed caption. Okay, and then the lines are... like that. Cool. All right. This is... Whoa. Oh, because I deleted them all. That's fine. This is going to be A, B, and C, I think, like that. Yep. And then... Alright, and then how do I do this better? I mean, maybe I don't. I don't want to break shit. Strings are tough. Alright. This is fine for right now. I'm going to come back to that. I know how I'm going to do it. I think. Okay. So this should work again.
At last. Welcome, Neo.
Sweet.
As you no doubt have guessed, I am Morpheus.
It's an honor to meet you.
No. The honor is mine. Please.
Well, it didn't do the last thing. Oh, array index out of... Oh, wait. Yeah. We didn't put any checks in. Alright, that's fine. We can fix that. If... Q index less than Q's length. That should be better. This is good. Okay, functions. Yeah. Okay. I see this. Dictionary string action int. So part of the problem now, I mean, I can do this just the way that I'm doing it now. If I made this action string, but I'm still going to be parsing those arguments in the functions. I like this function map though. And this I am way less familiar with this syntax. This sort of like, I don't even know what this is called in this context, in a object-oriented language. This is cool. I do not have uBlock installed here. Okay. This makes sense. This makes sense. That's Lambda syntax. Yeah. I mean, it looks like it's been a long time since I did like a Lambda language. Okay. Is this looks like C++. I'm not going to be able to drop this straight into C#, am I? It uses the same dictionary system, I think. Yeah, I hear it is C#. Rad. Okay. I gotta study up on the lambdas because I have seen sort of like increased shit from this. All right, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna see what it would take to just put this in. Look up actions. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can do this, right? And then also this, actually. this is... Yeah, we don't support this. But I can just do, yeah. Okay. And then invoke null propagating operator. Okay, so we're just gonna assume that this shit exists. For now. Okay, so it's just these actions. There's a namespace for this. I've done this before. Oh yeah, Unity likes to use its own actions, that's right. In events, shit, I hate these things. I think we can use I will do a null check. I'll do a null check in a second. Oh, fuck. System. There we go. There it is. Okay, and it's using int, so let's do this. Alright, watch the console down here. Whoops. Watch the console over here.
At last.
It output the way that I would expect. Does that invoke in milliseconds? It doesn't matter, I'm not going to use invoke. So, okay, so... Here's the only thing with this. This works for me really well right now. Oh, but now I've got a dictionary of functions. Yeah, this works well. I can define these functions here. And there's a couple ways that I could do that. Okay, I'm gonna put this back here. Function name is going to turn into function. And this is going to be functions q pieces 1. And that's going to be an action string. These are all going to be action strings. Okay. Rad. That replaces that. Update then becomes queues, queue index, function. This thing. Okay. Okay. Assert functions queues queue index Got it. I gotta do it up here. Okay. Debug. Is that? Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, sweet. This is gonna be function queue pieces 1 does not exist. Okay. I take the assert out of here. That's fine. This is all fine. This is good. Do that thing. Do this thing. That said, I think I am going to make this just use the code that I've already written. So start set bouncing x true. When we have more characters, we will make a character map for this too. And then, yeah. Show closed caption. This. Okay. I think this is going to work.
At last.
Good.
Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed, I am Morpheus.
It's an honor to meet you.
No. The honor is mine.
Okay.
Please.
Didn't run that one again. Do I have an off by one? Also, let me fix this thing. This is the one that starts way too early, right? This should be like... something like that. Okay. Jet lag, what did you find? That's marvelous. I love it. I love it. Nicely done. Good work. Good work, everybody. Alright, while we're at this, let's fix this shit. This is no good. And actually, while I'm at it, oh god, how did this work? I think yeah, that does it. Okay. It's good enough for now. Oh, I didn't even note it. Oh yeah. It's just these, right? Okay, rad. Good. All good so far. We've got closed captions. We can put them up. Oh, yeah. This is what I wanted to do. How do I do this? Unity, split... Ugh. Okay. That's ugly. Alright, let's use... Let's split on new lines instead of pipes. And then we can go back to this and get rid of this and just have this and see if this works. I didn't solve if I have an off by one error why the last line isn't playing. Whoops. Oh, god damn it. So slow.
At last. Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed,
It's still early.
I am Morpheus.
It's an honor to meet you.
No,
He doesn't play,
the honor is
and
mine.
then he doesn't play. Okay.
Please.
No errors. Start bouncing, stop bouncing, Keanu. Start bouncing, stop bouncing, Morpheus. Seems like that should work. Let's... just check what's happening. I don't get any of these asserts. That's fine. I don't need this anymore. These are still set. Yeah. Did I accidentally write bouncing? I easily could have. It's very, very possible. But I actually think that this would have alerted us that we tried to call a function that didn't exist. I like the CSV scripting language too. I'm going to make it better in just a second. Okay.
At last. Welcome, Neo.
Set bouncing.
As you no
Set
doubt
bouncing.
have guessed,
Set bouncing.
I am Morpheus.
Set
It's an honor
bouncing.
to meet you.
True.
No, the honor is mine. Please, come, sit.
True, false, true, false, true, false. All Morpheus, no Keanu. Only 3 of them. The timing didn't line up, but I think that's my fault. Only 3 of them. What is happening? Oh. Well. There we go. There we go. Okay. There is a way to... Oh, Jesus. Let's see. Google Sheets, copy, formula, down, entire column. Point your mouse to the lower right corner of the formula. Wait. Paste formula only. Highlight the first cell. No, god damn it. No. None of that is what I want. None of this is what I want. Double click the square on the bottom right. Okay. Well, that didn't work. Okay, none of that worked. Alright, how about paste format only? That's what I wanted. Paste formula only. There's a way to do this. Alright, here's the thing that I was going to do, which is not like amazing, but it is going to help. This is going to help break this up into lines, right? So each line can have some amount of blocking underneath it, and then we can easily see where the next line starts. Here's the bit that I am pissed about. Double-clicking the drag indicator will copy the formula to all cells. Ah. There we go. There we go. All right. Great. I'm gonna make this better. If data, what was it? A2, it's not blank, then do this. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, do nothing. There we go. What happens when I do that? Oh god, yes. Alright, that's a lot. Alright, well, it's a lot of blank space at the end, and we just need to if oh, I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah. If there has to be a first argument. Okay. There has to be an argument. Now, how do you feel?
At last. Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed,
Now it's a
I
little
am
late.
Morpheus.
It's an honor to meet you.
No. The honor is mine.
Cool.
Please.
Alright, sweet. So that works. Oh, shit. Okay, so wait, it shouldn't make cues. Oh, but then because the cues is the length. Fuck. All right, that's fine. This is no, that's not what's happening. What is happening? We should have a bunch of... Oh, because they're structs. So they still exist, they just have empty data. Alright. Just make sure the function is not null. That should do it. We'll look at it one more time. Written a parser for the raw CSV format. Part of the well, yeah, that's fair. I don't have a CSV parser, but I'm sure I can find one.
At last. Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed, I am Morpheus.
It's an honor to meet you.
No,
Oh yeah, I'm still printing.
the honor is mine. Please,
Cool.
come.
All right. Sweet. This is all good so far. All right. So now, step 2. So step 2 is I want to have a yeah. If you read in the file and parse the commas instead of ampersands, it'll make fiddling with the time values faster. If I can do it in a raw text file, is what you're saying? As opposed to exporting from a spreadsheet, because I think I am going to want spreadsheet functionality pretty soon, if not right now. Sorry, the in the chat, the suggestion is that I could save a lot of time by taking the file name as an argument, parsing it in real time, rather than pasting the entire text. Read in the file and parse commas instead of ampersands. It'll make fiddling with the time values faster. That's fair. But I think then use the spreadsheet as is instead of doing your process. Save the spreadsheet and press play. Yeah, so that's the part where I actually think saving as CSV from here doesn't save me time, because it's a little bit of a pain in the ass. Not a lot, just a little. I could set it up so that it's easier. That's not bad. Well, that's not what I wanted to do anyway. Or it could be. Oh god, now it's going to open Excel. Oh Christ. That's not what I wanted. Here's the thing that makes this more complicated, is that now I have to parse around quotation marks, which the way that I'm set up using splitting arrays or splitting strings into arrays doesn't do neatly, because I have commas in my text. I'm going to stick with this for right now. Theirs is actually, well, okay, no, I'm not. I'm going to take your suggestion. The thing is, if I take this file and download it as a comma separated value, show me that. That is what I want. Okay. Okay. So here's what I need to do. I need to Google settings, download. Where are you downloading shit? Download, change this to, oh god, this fucking interface. Okay. Unity projects. Let me open it up. Okay, hold on, jet lag. Hold on. There's a story behind this. Give me a second. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna finish this first. Let me finish this. Okay, Drama Hero, assets, text. That's what I wanted. Drama Hero, assets, text. Okay, save to there. And then here, I don't even need to do this. I just have it as a text asset and import the file directly. Oh shit. See, this is, hold on. This is going to be the problem. Because then the next time that I download this as a comma separated value, it changes the file name. So in Chrome settings, can I make it automatically overwrite? I cannot. Okay, but if I turn this on, I can overwrite like that. All right, that works. Okay, hold on. I don't think Unity can take an absolute file path. I could use Excel, but I don't really want to use Excel. I don't know that Unity can't take an absolute file path, but anyway, this works. All right, so make it use that. No text asset, Q file, Q's equals, Q string changes to Q file text split. And then get rid of the Q string. Rad. Does this play? No, it didn't recompile the damn thing. Hold on. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Because it's not quite what I want. It's very close to what I want. Alright. If the entire string is surrounded by quotation marks, strip them off. That's easy enough. And do it early. Do it here. Q here. For all of these, if Q string split I0 equals, oh god, that's not how I do this, is it? What the fuck is this monstrosity? That gives me a character. I see. Okay. All right. What about this? Is that good? That's good. Okay. If the first character is a quote, then Q string split I equals Q string split I substring 1 Q string split I, no, not length, size? Is it length? It is length. -2. Oof. Oh, Strophium, that is interesting. Hold on, I'm going to try that. I am not familiar with this syntax. Is that real? That's not real. That's okay. Yeah. No. That's because it's not real syntax. Replace string old value, string new value. What's wrong here? Ah, it's it doesn't modify. Q string split I equals. What is this? Oh. Does that do it? That does it. That does it. That's more elegant. That's nice. Thank you. Yes, you corrected. Got it. Zyvo, seriously, getting to it. It's not that interesting a story. It's not worth this build up. So far, so good.
At last.
There we go.
Welcome, Neo.
Great. Okay. I'm gonna call that all working. What can I show you?